Okay everyone, one completed, so I'm now on to so that one's how it came up, reasonably polished, without going too much into, a full polished mirror finish, and sort of keeping the original look. So anyway, one's done. I'll go through the next one now so you can see what we did. So originally, we pulled the bottom case off, which I'll polish that up. That was the original, how the other one looked, and you can see the difference. Right. So very different sort of outcome. Anyway, so this is what we're starting with the post, right, or with the internal. So inside here we've got the spring, so it's got a clip, clip here, it has to come off, then this will come off. Then you've got another clip here, clip here, that comes off, and obviously you've got the bearing, or the seal, and the collar here as well. And so what you want to do, take a picture of it before you pull it completely apart. Keep note of the seal. It's got the flat part on the bottom here. Now the seal that we've actually got to replace it with, it's a little bit different in looks to this. It's got a spring as a pressure, to put pressure on, spring on which we'll put on the inside. Hopefully that's correct. It's not an exact measure, but I would imagine it's got a washer on the top that holds it in place, and it's got a washer that comes on this side that also puts pressure in and keeps it in place. So anyway, so I'll show you what we do from here.